Hello friends, today I'm going to explain you one real-time scenario. So where I want to transfer the tables, the whole database tables into CSV format as per the date. This is my source database and this is my destination database. Sorry, destination. Okay. So destination is a blob storage and source is a Azure SQL database. Here like I want to transfer all the tables here into the blob storage as a CSV files based on the date folder. Now in the destination side, how it was in the blob container, first container, after that folder should created with the year. In that in that folder I need to create a month. In that I need to create a date. In that again the folder name, table name. In that, okay, CSV file, .csv file with the name. Okay, so this is how I need to store the data, the table data into CSV format. So every day, like I want, if I show, once I build the package pipeline, so every day whenever I run that, it will take the date run and it will run that. Okay, so this is my requirement. So here I am, we are, I hope you understand the requirement right now. If go here, this is new thing, where I don't have anything. Now I'm taking a new pipeline, naming as like copy, copy tables from DB to blob storage. Okay, so for that, what I need to do here, before first I need to prepare the tables. What are that? So we are, for each we need to pass the input as an array, right? Now go to these tables and like here you need to select, click execute. This table will give in the JSON format. Okay, just copy this format. Okay, why? Because I need to transfer all the tables within this database. Now come here. Now go to variables and pass this variable like tables list. Tables list. Now what is the type here? We need to pass array. Now just paste it. That's it. Now go to here. Now for each type it here. Now we are it. Now go to settings. Go to properties. Go to variables and assign that table array to the for each loop. Okay, now we are bringing that variable into this for each loop item. Generally we call it as an item here. Okay, now we have done here. Now what we need to do with these tables and everything, for that click on that, then on this for each loop, just copy that data here. Now copy data, just copy tables, just tables, that's it. Okay, now what is the source here? We need to fix it the dynamic. Okay, here we are not doing that, like the tables names are not hard coded. Okay, we need to pick that. Now first let's build that. First of all, go to new. What is the source? SQL database. Now come here, select Azure SQL database, click continue. This is ds underscore test demo 003. Okay, so what is the database name? Underscore ad. Now here you can click new, link ss test demo 003 underscore ad. Now come here, select the server, select the subscription, select that server, select the database, click test connection. Now click create. Now we got it right. Okay, now we cannot, we are having multiple databases, multiple tables. That's the reason I'm not selecting this option. I'm just selecting none. Click OK. So now what happened? We got this. Now click the open this source data set. Okay, now here what I need to, here I need the two parameters. What are the two parameters? What is the source? In the source, what the schema name, and table name, right? To take two tables, schema and here table name. Okay, I have taken two parameters. Now go to connection here. Just remove this option, select again. You will get this here. Okay. Now here what I say, select enter manually. Select here. Now what is that? Select schema name. Select table name. That's it. Now source data set we have set it dynamically. Just whenever we had schema that, right, it will going to replace. Okay, just come as of now source data set is ready dynamically. Now come to pipeline. Now go to sync here. Now so we will select this option later. Okay. Now just remove this option again. Select again. Okay, you here you will get that. So as of now schema here we have, right? So data set is also there. Now come here where we need to pick this. Where we need to pick this means in the item list we have two tables. So now if I go here, right? So here I need to just copy this comma in the item, right? So for each item dot schema name, schema. Now to come here, table name dot, here what is the table name? Copy this. In the array we have, right? Now that's it. We are passing that dynamically. So okay, here it will going to replace in the data set. Okay, now source is ready. Now go to sync. What is the source? Blob storage. Now come to here, select the blob storage, CSV format, then now ds underscore blobs. Now link server, ls underscore blobs. Come here, select the storage name. Okay, just create. Now that's it. Now go to here. I want to store all the files in this. Okay, so as of now I am going to create this. I am deleting this. Okay, now if I go here, now if I see I don't have any files, click OK. Now this is done. File name is dynamic, right? That's the reason I'm not selecting anything. Click OK. Done. So done. Now we have selected the data set. Now open the data set here. Here, what are the parameters that we need? File name, right? So here, file name, come to here. Now what's our requirement generally is, I will tell you. Now we need to pass the year here and file name as per data folder. Now come here, destination, add. Now we are here to build expression. First, if I want to build, I'm taking UTC now. Okay, if I do that, we will get this big format, but I don't require all of these. For that, what I need to do, I need to substring now comma 0 comma 4. So this will bring the date comma. Okay, up to here it will bring. Now what I need to concatenate this will be here. Now come here, concat. Now just remove this and bring this up. Okay, now what happened, I want slash dollar, right? So this is concatenating. And again what I am doing, I am copying this whole function and comma and press here. What is that here? Here after 5, this is 2. We will make you how will do separate video how we can build this. Okay, as of now comma, paste it here. Here I need to 8. Okay, this is done. Now what I need to function name as well, right? So just comma, just file name, just close that bracket. Okay, this is done. So dataset file name is going to create that folder. Okay, done. This is done. Now what is the file name that I want to create up to here? Okay, so what is the file name? I need to concatenate with the file name. I want .csv, right? So for that, at the date concatenations. Now go to this thing, close .csv format. So now the data file name it is going to create and CSV format. Just close this. Now destination data set has been done with this thing, right? Okay. Now go to the copy tables here. Open here. We need to set the file path. What is the file path here? File name. So now what this thing, right? Item dot. So what is the files names here? Now where I can bring the file names from the this thing, right? Here we need to pass the file name. So item dot table name. That's it. So I hope I have done everything. Source dynamic set is ready. Sync data set and variable items are not ready. Click source. Go to copy. Go to sync and every name is correct. Say it is right. Everything is good. Now go to this thing and click on debug. Yeah, it is running successfully. Okay, now go to the destination, click on refresh. Yeah, it got folder got created. Now go to here. Now what is the 6 months? See, 6 month is there. 20 date here. See address table name. Here in that we can find see address.csv. Okay, now go to destination. Go to this and this. So all the schema, all the file names in that again CSV file. So this is how we need to require. If I do for the tomorrow, so here it will come. So 21 will come. So this is how we can like maintain one copy of that as well. So if I go here, click on refresh, see it got succeeded. Now if I see here, see these are the values. Now total we have 72 tables. Now if I go here, if I do that and I am doing just selecting this, see total, oh that one will go to the for loop content, right? This is all tables. This one is for loop for each. Total 72 in that one is for each loop. Here total 71 tables. Okay, so this is how you need to build the like for each loop table, and you this is one of the real-time example. So I'm going to pin the concatenations or the table whole duration right in the comment box. You can get it from there as well for reference purpose. I hope you have liked my initiation. Thank you.